How to fix Instagram not working and keep crashing problem in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking my internet connection, then go back my home screen and open settings and click on general. Now click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to your home screen and update your Instagram. After update your Instagram, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.